Did you know that creating QR codes in Photoshop is possible? It's a convenient way to incorporate quick visual links into your images without hassle of typing complex URLs. QR codes can be used to connect users to social media profiles, business assets, or websites with just a few clicks on their phones. In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate and customize your own QR codes in Photoshop using simple plugin. To get started, you will need to install a QR code plugin for Photoshop since it doesn't come with built-in QR code generation capabilities. One of the user-friendly options is the Create QR Code plugin. To install it, navigate to the Plugins option in the main menu bar and select Browse Plugins. Search for the plugin by name and click on the Get button to install it. Once installed, you will have the ability to generate QR codes in Photoshop. Next, to access the plugin, go to the Windows option in the main menu bar and find Extensions in the resulting menu. Hover over it to open the sub-navigation menu and select QR Code Maker. Inside the QR Code Maker window, you will find various options for generating a QR code. But our main focus on the link option. Simply paste the desired link into the link field and click on the Create button at the bottom of the window. After a brief processing period, a new tab will open with a bitmap image of the generated QR code. Once the QR code is generated, you can choose to save it for future use or immediately copy and paste it into your document. This allows users with any type of phone to scan and read the QR code. Adding the QR code to other documents in Photoshop can be a bit tricky because of the bitmap image size. It is very small, and if you place it in your document and resize it, it gets pixelated and blurry. So one approach is to open the QR code image from your photo gallery, enlarge it using the mouse scroll and enter full screen mode, then press the print screen key to capture a screenshot using the rectangular selection mode. Then go back to your document and place the screenshot in a suitable area. Place it on a blank portion with a white background. Afterwards, save the image and ensure that the code is still functional before finalizing the document. That's it. Once you have created the QR code, you can easily customize it and incorporate it into any image or design. This capability allows you to enhance your documents with visual links that users can conveniently access using their phones. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Happy editing and see you guys in the next video. Take care.